Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change address in Wise. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first of all, you need to log in into your Wise account through a web browser to change your address, as you cannot do it in your app. Simply open a web browser and type in the URL www.wise.com/login and you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply get logged in into your account. So once you're logged in into your account, you need to simply tap on your name, where you can tap on the details option, then simply tap on the edit details and simply scroll down below to your address section. So now you can make any modification as per your liking and change your address accordingly. So hit the save option at the end and you are all done with your newly updated and changed Wise address. So following this simple easy steps, you can change your address in your Wise account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.